Hi, this is Tayyab from Zevor Corporation. I represent the Technology Consulting Division of Zevor Corporation, and the purpose of this webcast is to introduce our migration utility for Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. This migration utility webcast is going to take data from Microsoft Dynamics CRM 4.0 and transfer it to Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 on premises. It can also be used for Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 online, and it can also migrate data from disparate solutions like Act, Goldmine, and other CRM solutions to Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. However, this particular video is just going to focus on Microsoft Dynamics CRM 4.0 migration to Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011. So let's start with the demonstration. Our CRM 2011 migration utility has two aspects to it. One is the JavaScript converter, and the other is CRM 4.0 organization migration utility. So the purpose of having this JavaScript converter in there is because with your CRM 4.0 implementation, you might have JavaScript customizations and your custom web pages. So we wanted our migrator utility to facilitate in migrating those aspects of your CRM solution as well. So you can use this script converter to actually convert your JavaScript from CRM 4.0 to a format that is compatible with CRM 2011. So you just need to open up your CRM 4.0 scripts and click on this convert button. And as you'll do that, you will see that on the right side, it actually brings in the new format of the JavaScript that would work with CRM 2011, and then you can save those on the file. So you can save that to disk, and once you are done with your CRM 4.0 migration to CRM 2011, which we'll show you in this webcast, then you can use these JavaScripts as well so that they work with your CRM 2011. So now let's start with CRM 2011 migration. I want to show you the CRM 4.0 that exists on my system and the entities that are in there, just to give you a perspective of how they'll be migrated to CRM 2011. So here I'll go and show you some leads, accounts, opportunities, and contacts. So I have this lead. It's a test lead that I just created for this particular migration. Here is an opportunity. I'll also show you an account, and for the sake of completion, let's have a look at this contact as well. So in order to start with the migration, let me just show you first the CRM 2011 VM that I have. So this is the CRM 2011 I have configured on my virtual machine, and you could see that it had nothing in it. This is the deployment manager for my CRM 2011, and I can show you that it has just one organization, VM CRM 2011. So now what I'm going to do is that I am going to migrate my organization from CRM 4.0 to CRM 2011. So let's start with that. The first step that we'll do is to back up the database for CRM 4.0 implementation, and then we'll be restoring it onto our CRM 2011 server. So I'll just go in there, I'll select the database, I'll select the organization that I have for CRM 4.0 implementation. In this case, it's CRM4_MS CRM, and I'll just select the backup directory from where I need to do the backup. So this is the one that I am using. It's again the directory on my VM, and then I'll select the database server where I want it to be restored, the name of the new restore. It would be in our case CRM4DB, so that it's easier for us to see which one is CRM 4.0's DB, and because we already have the one for CRM 2011 there. And then you pick up the data directory and the backup directory, you put in those, and you can also basically browse and select these. So we're just copy pasting because I had already configured these locations for these particular data directories and backup directories. So I'll just click on the start, and when I'll do that, it will start showing us the activities that it's doing along with the statuses. So it's telling you that it's in the process of doing the backup for your database, which is again in this case CRM 4.0 database. Once the backup is complete, it is going to start restoring the database to your new CRM 2011 data server. And here it shows that now it started to restore the organization database on target server, and it will continue to do that. And once it's done successfully, then we'll move on to our next step, which is going to be to restore or to migrate the CRM 4.0 organization to CRM 2011 organization. So organization migration is the next step. This is important to note that in this case you will obviously give in the server name for your new CRM 2011 VM, because that is where you want to restore your old organization from CRM 4.0. You use the restore database name, the one that you restored in the first step of this migration utilities workflow, and then you give in the user who is the administrator of your CRM 2011. Once you are done with that, you just click on the start import. And just to give you a brief introduction of what this is, that whether we can map our users from CRM 4.0 to 2011, it is going to do that automatically for now, but in the next version of this tool we are going to give you a mapper which would actually allow you to actually map them to the users of your choice. So you just clicked on start, and here it is that we are done with the migration. And I'm going to show you first how the data has been migrated. So let's go to the deployment manager again, and you will see that now in the organizations you have CRM4 along with VM CRM 2011. So this is the new one that we have migrated, and I'll also show you how we can go and see how the data looks in the VM for the CRM 2011. So here you are, this is the VM for CRM 2011. You have leads, activities, everything has been migrated successfully. Go to the tasks. You can see all the tasks that were there in CRM 4.0, they would be there in CRM 2011 as well. Your leads are there, your opportunities. I'll just click on the opportunity to show you that the opportunity has successfully migrated. And everything looks good here, so if you feel that things are looking good, you can go on to your migration utility and click on the finish button, and it would finish. This VM would actually be used again for CRM 2011 online, and once we come up with that webcast and I'll share that, then you'll get to know the exact reason of why I use the VM. But it's always a good idea to use a VM if you want to migrate in the end, so your end goal is CRM 2011 online. More on that in the next webcast. So I'll just continue with this one for now. And so it looks good, so I'm just going to click on the finish, and that was a brief introduction of our migration utility for CRM 2011. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, as I said, that we will be creating more of these to prove our credentials in migration and integration of different applications, especially for CRM 2011 now. And we'll be coming up with the webcast for CRM 2011 online and Goldmine to CRM 2011 shortly. Thank you for your patient listening. Have a good day.